When patch edges show lumps or low spots after the repair sets, act quickly to restore a smooth, durable surface. Start by assessing the cured patch visually and by running a firm hand over the area to locate any high and low spots. For low spots, the simplest effective approach is to add fresh tarmac mix in small increments, compacting each layer with a tamper or heavy block until the surface aligns with the surrounding pavement. Keep the added layer thin to avoid future settlement. For high spots, score the tarmac with a cold chisel or asphalt cutter and remove the excess material, then re-level the area by raking and compacting the remaining material to the correct grade. If the patch has surface voids or the sealer did not form a continuous coat, apply another thin coat of sealer only after the patch is fully cured and dry, and follow product instructions on temperature and drying times to ensure adhesion. When re-tamping or compacting, use overlapping passes and keep the compaction tool level to prevent creating new low rims at the edges. Always clean the patch perimeter of loose debris and oil before adding material so new tarmac bonds directly to the existing surface. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves and eye protection, and work when ambient temperatures are within the recommended range for the tarmac and sealer you used. Common mistakes include waiting too long to correct defects, which allows edges to deteriorate further, so address lumps and lows soon after curing to avoid larger repairs later. Another frequent issue is overfilling low areas without adequate compaction, which leads to subsequent settling. Fix that by adding material in thin lifts and compacting thoroughly after each lift. A third problem is applying sealer over a damp or contaminated surface, which prevents adhesion, so always dry and clean the patch and use a broom or blower before resealing. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and for contractors to connect with work opportunities related to projects like these. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips, ask questions, and compare product and technique experiences.